Oh man. Okay. I think you know what I'm gonna tell you? I'm gonna tell you what I think. I think I think that the first drawing that I did, I was too much. I'm gonna tell you what happens to me sometimes. When I get in instruction mode, right? It affects my hand because I'm trying to explain to you. Oh, did I put my head in there? Oh, excuse me. But maybe because I got my glasses on too. I don't know. But I was instructing, and I wasn't letting it out. It wasn't flowing the same. You know what I'm saying? The flow wasn't the same. You could tell the difference in the flow of this and this. Even though they're both good pictures, right? You could tell the difference in the flow for sure. You know. So now from here, we'll just go ahead and finish it out. I'm all like, so this one I definitely like better. But it's yeah. So I'm gonna stick. I wanna do a couple more. I feel like it tonight. I don't know. I just do. Don't forget, guys. If you feel like you're benefiting or whatever, it's cool. You want a tip, man? Tips are awesome, man. Thank you. You super chat, super stickers. If you're on Instagram, you guys can use. I got like a little. Here it is. Here. I made a little board. My wife made it for me, so I could just show it to you guys. Thanks a lot. And there you go. If you're on Instagram. All right. All right. So I think that's it right there. I think we're not going to even. Wow. The second one, The voice is 1 second. Oh, okay. You mean it's an offset between what I'm saying and the oh, okay. I think I got it on live chat, matter of fact. Let me see. Yeah, it is live chat. Uh-huh. Okay. And then let's put her name was Charli. Let me see. CHARLIDAMELIO. Browser. All right, there we go. Awesome. All right, so man, that one came out real nice. I like that one. I'm gonna put that in the. I have a YouTube file, so that one's going on YouTube. I think in general, everything's been kind of. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.